Shalom. This is Dr. Isaac Rufford Jr. with another episode of the Israelite Insight. In today's episode, we're going to deal with the word redemption. The word redemption. In the Hebrew, the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the word redemption is Gilead. Gilead. Gelluah. Literally meaning, behold, the return back to sturdiness by the mightiness of pride, or the camel, whatever, or the foot. So what it really means to have redemption is that whatever you're doing, whatever you have in life, everything as an Israelite is going to return to the point where, because the fact that we are the people of the book, the Hasafar, uh, Sifar HaKadosh, the Holy Bible, that means that redemption would mean to return things that are our righteous inheritance, especially since we serve the Most High Almighty. So when we serve Him and when we live a life of humility and righteousness, what belongs to us that we have placed and put out will return back to us. So when we are saying that we walk in redemption, we are basically walking in the royal lineage and the beautiful favor of Abraham, Ishaq, and Jacob. The original Israelites that were long lost, forgotten, but no, they still return. So that's today's episode of the Israelite Insight. This is Dr. Asraf Jr. saying shalom, shalom, and repent, for the kingdom of heaven is at hand.